you can see, guys, I'm actually a GoPro fan, but I also like DJI drone. And you can see, guys, this is my this was my cam. Now I got something to show you guys. It's gonna change that, and it's gonna make it better. And there you go. I got the Osmo Mobile. So I got this for $350, and it's supposed to come on Friday or Thursday, but the shipping messed up. And but I finally received it today, and today is Monday, so it's crazy how you pay extra for the shipping, but they come in a little bit late. But anyway, let's go ahead and look what's inside. And wow, this thing is tiny. It is really small. You know what? When this one first came out, it was this thing right here was actually, and we all seen it, and someone leaked the video, and it was looked like this. And all of us was freaking out because we're so excited, because we thought this camera, you can just go ahead and take this off, and then you can just mount it here, or you get the zoom and you can mount it here, and then you're good to go. But apparently that's not gonna happen. So that was crazy. We all thought this camera, this Hasselblad, is gonna go here, but actually not. So we're a little bit disappointed. But the size of this camera, it's about the size of the, I call this, I would say Air. I don't know if we can see it. There you go. The size about almost this, about the same. Look like the gimbal's about the same. Wow, interesting. Pretty lightweight. I thought my GoPro camera is much, it's actually, just a second. Wow, you see the difference. So this one got more weight to it. Anyway, go ahead and put that there. But yeah, it's very lightweight. So if you do get this, it comes with this piece here. But to be honest with you, my impression on this is, you might think that buying a Hero 7 is going to be cheaper, but actually this one is going to be more, because when I look at the wireless charging, like what I mean is like the Wi-Fi, it's not wireless charging, I'm sorry, the attachment to this one, I don't know why they don't sell it yet. I don't know why DJI did not come with the thread here. I don't know why it did not come with the something that I can mount my GoPro attachment to. So it's pretty much just hold it here for now, I guess. But anyway, the reason why I'm saying that, because it did not, I don't know if DJI is ready to release this, because all the accessories are not out yet. Hopefully it should be on soon. I mean, by the time I order it, I'm probably gonna get it around January with all this late shipment. And some of you guys probably ordered this already, probably didn't even received it yet. So that's very interesting. But anyway, let's go ahead what's in here. And let me go ahead and put this back. But this is what you get. You get this USB-C. Good thing about this, you can also charge your GoPro batteries. And then you get this lightning male port here. And I think this goes about right here, so you can just mount it like this. Very interesting. yeah, it clicks on there. But guess what? Let me see. Uh-oh. SE is gonna become a beast. Look at that. So if you got a SE, it fits perfectly. If you have an SE phone, it's perfect for this guy to be on. So you can just have it like this and you're good to go. Hopefully they come out with the SEX version, the one with the whole OLED display. But anyway, let me go ahead and put this over here. And I don't know if you guys have this. Some of you guys probably have a GoPro or you guys have a gimbal. To be honest with you, because DJI did not release it yet, you can actually, oh, it fits. You can actually use this thing here. So, you see that? Let me go ahead and refit this. Yeah, it seems will fit. I'm gonna go ahead and loosen this up. All right, guys, this thing might interest you. All right, I found something out. That's the reason why I have to come back. But anyway, having this, because we don't have no mount yet, if you still have your GoPro, if you have like a GoPro Karma, you know, one of those stabilized, well, this piece right here that comes with one, you can actually use that to put in your Osmo. So you can just go ahead and put it right here, and then you're actually ready to go. And you can put your, you have enough room to put your SD card in there. I have to go to a store because apparently this part right here is a little bit smaller. I'm sorry. This part right here is a little bit smaller. It goes about in the back of here. And what does that do is just basically just locked it down, and it can go ahead and lock down the clamp. So it'll stay there tight. And you know how the the gimbal of the GoPro is pretty heavy. So I mean, even this right here is really secure by having that. That's a cool thing. And you can also buy this in the store, or you can go online, or you can go on eBay or Amazon. And the cool thing about this is it's kind of the same thing with the GoPro tripod, the little tripod mini, but it's actually better because you have the grip. So if you buy the GoPro mini tripod, the drawback is it's very slippery. So you'll drop your action camera or your Osmo if you can do that. But anyway, you can get this for really cheap. You can get this for like what, $6 on eBay. I'm put down the link, or maybe $8. And yeah, so I got everything in here. So like I said, if you don't have to order, I don't know if some of you guys want to go ahead and order it right away. But if you don't get it on time and you want something and to put on your tripod and, you know, walk around with it or something right away, and you don't want to carry your Osmo in your hand, you can actually have this, or you can bring it down like that. And then you can just go ahead and carry around your Osmo this way, or whatever position you want it at. Or you can actually put it up here if you want to, depending on you, you know. So it's all got, everybody got different preferences, I guess. But the cool thing about this one here, you can actually have it here in the ground, like a little tripod right away. And you can also hold this as a handheld if you want to. And now you have the whole handheld gimbal. And not that, if some of you guys got a smaller phone, you can actually put this guy in. So you can actually have your SE. And then you can actually walk around with it. But you know, I think you don't have the holder for it yet, but eventually they're gonna come out with one. I think I already seen one on eBay or on Amazon. But yeah, and that's how you hold it. And you can mount your tripod this way if you would like, or you could go this way. There you go. And you got the whole thing already. So action camera, and you got it to go. So it's cool to have. If you still have your SE phone, or you can put your iPhone XS or your Samsung or whatever phone that you had. And by me having my old, like for instance right here, this one right here is like one of those protectors, glass protector for my GoPro. And this one right here is just one of those plastic. So what I can do is, like this part right here is plastic. And what I can do is I can just go ahead and recut this piece right here and I can put it on there. So yeah, whatever that you have, it works, man. And that's it. You can walk around with your cam the way you wanted. And you can have it like this, or you can have it in front of you. And you're good to go without no problem, without you spending $100 or $60 or $50. At least you got, you know, you got it rolling. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy on a field and see what's all about and go from here. And I remember it helps us a lot, because I remember we used to walk around with this thing, man. We're trying to, you know, because we like the 4K footage on this guy here, and we just use this as a cam too. But now you can have that, and then you can just go ahead and use that mounts. And that's a cool thing about it, that you can actually just use this one. But anyway, yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'm just showing you guys some quick ideas that what you can do with the Osmo mobile pocket. And it seems cool, man. I mean, you know, like I said, I got it already, and I'm gonna put this guy in the field. I was wishing it to have it on Friday, but you know, like I said, the shipping is crazy, it's insane. But anyway, go out there, look what you have. You probably have stock people out there with GoPros. I know you probably have like one of those mount kit, and you can just go ahead and put this mount, and you can put your Osmo to go, and you can have it like that. Or like me, I would just go ahead and put it over here, because I don't know why DJI did that. Because when you think about it, to buy that kit for the wireless, you got to pay extra for that one. I think that's what, for the Wi-Fi, it's like another $100. So total, you're actually spending this almost like $450. And then I don't even know when is the waterproof case going to be coming out, and all this accessories. I don't know why DJI. I don't know why I did not come out with that stuff yet. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the field and go from here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.